Hello. Today, July 11, 23, Wilmington, North Carolina, at the Wilmington Railroad Museum. This is Atlantic coastline territory. We got 250 sitting out front here, built by Baldwin. It's number 35851. 26 or 462, and a tender. No, it's a 46. This is a cool museum. I've been here before. Want to check it out again. If you're ever in downtown Wilmington, North Carolina, come by and check out this museum. And here they got Atlantic Coastline caboose. It's not in the original color or the proper color. I believe it was supposed to be orange. You have to cross-check me on that. Another beautiful day in North Carolina. Check out these frog sculptures. Atlantic Coastline Railroad Company. This is a lathe they turn the drive wheels on. All right, let's go in. Okay, so they got a little area here for model railroad stuff of all scales. From signs to track and cars, and so let's go on in the museum. This is going to be a short little summary video because I have to pick up my friend at the doctor. I'm visiting the Railroad Museum while he's at the doctor. So, Women in Railroads, Brotherhood of Unions. Oh, is that the General? That's the General. Western and Atlantic Railroad of Georgia locomotive, the General, built in 1855 by Rogers Locomotive Works, Patterson, New Jersey. A 440 wood burner. The Roundhouse of Georgia in Atlanta after Sherman's troops passed through. The Great Locomotive Chase. All these signs, milepost sign, whistle, a semaphore arm, train signal.
Hi, man, that's my line.
Atlantic Coastline flag. Wow. So this is a tool cart. They got a brake line in there. Logging railroads. Conductor punches. This is cool. Train order stick. They would hold that up, the train comes along, and the engineer would catch that in his arm as they go by. Back in the day, before radios. The Knuckle Coupler. Eli H. Janey in 1870. Here's one of my favorite things in this museum. Not only the motor car, which is cool, but this display on the evolution of rails and their sizes and pounds. This is really cool. So, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. And we start out in 1852 with 42 pounds per yard. And we're at 1987, we're at 144 pounds a yard right here. And here's some strap rail. Fairmont. This is ACL number 224. Gandy dancers. Look up Gandy dancers on YouTube and check out the story that Charles Kuralt did in the, I believe it was the 70s or early 80s. Charles Kuralt. The Gandy dancers. Pretty cool video. Guinness World Record, Wilmington Railroad Museum. For the longest model train, which was 925 feet and 6 inches. 925 feet, 6 inches. 31 locomotives and 1,563 carriages. This was done on 23 April 2011. There's some pictures setting up the track. Wow. This is a 1-inch to 1 foot working steam engine built by William Odell Wood in 1956 on his farm in Warsaw, North Carolina. Check out these lanterns. This is the Children's Hall. This is where some model trains are, as you can see. Wow, toothpicks or matchsticks. O-scale. Nickel Plate Road, New York Central, Atlantic Coastline, L&N, another ACL. So check out this layout, it's massive. HO. So we might as well start here. This is Selma, 84 miles. Here comes CSX, 8704. Coming around this way, we got a longleaf pine forest. Hey, there's an N-scale seaboard. This display shows the different scales. We got G scale, 1 to 2.5, O scale, 1 to 48, S scale, 1 to 64, HO is 187.1, TT, 1 to 120, N scale is 1 to 160, and Z is 1 to 220. Now this is Wilson, North Carolina. Carolina Stone Quarry. Oh, the Mako light. There's the Mako light. Joe Baldwin. Oh yeah, the famous Mako light story. The legend of Joe Baldwin, who was decapitated in a train collision. They've even got him here, looking for his head. So this is 3rd Street. This is all Wilmington. All right, so thanks for watching. I'm sorry it's such a short video. I'm heading back to Atlanta tomorrow. I've got several North Carolina trains I caught that I need to edit. And of course, I'm gonna get out and catch some more trains once I get back in my neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.